Hello students, good morning. Here I am Mrs. Tanya. And now as I have completed your unit test 1 portion, that is of literature, that is act 1 till scene 3, full act 1, and 1 prose and 1 poetry. And in the language, as I have told you about the letter, about the notice, then composition pattern, okay, and the grammar part, what is given in your total book, the total English book, that same thing will be there. Some of the exercises, some of the grammar part I will explain you. I will upload the videos for that. Now today I am going to explain you about the question paper format of English literature as well as English language. You should know that according to the boards what all pattern comes. So let us see. In English literature, your paper will be of 80 marks and 20 marks will be of project. Literature, there will be 9 questions altogether. Okay, how many questions? 9 questions. 3 from Merchant of Venice, 3 from prose, and 3 from poetry. Okay, now children, one thing you have to remember, anyway, not in class 9 but in 10th, when you will go and give your board examination with Merchant of Venice, there are many other books some schools are running. So in your question paper, not only the Merchant of Venice but those other books questions will be also there, but you don't have to attempt those questions. You only have to attempt the 3 books question what you have studied in your syllabus, that is the Merchant of Venice, the prose means that the book The Treasure Trove, from there the prose and poetry. So altogether 9 questions are there. You have to attempt 5 questions. Okay, that means you have to attempt 1 from drama, 1 from prose, 1 from poetry. This will be 3. Then any 2 from any of these 3. You can do the 2 question from the same book. Like for example, from Merchant of Venice you are knowing all the 3 set of question 1, question 2, question 3. So all the 3 you can do. From prose 1, from poetry 1. It's up to you. Total 5, but from each book there should be one question. Now see, in section A will be Merchant of Venice, 3 set of question 1, question 2, question 3, you can see, but each question will be divided into 5 sub questions. That is, question 1 means there will be an extract, that is the extract of your drama. Related to that there will be 5 questions, A, B, C, D, E, 3 marks, and the last one will be of 4 marks. Okay, 3 marks each. First will be 3, second, third, fourth, fifth will be of 4 marks. So it means one set of question carries 16 marks. Okay, same will be question 2, same will be question 3. Different extracts. Question 1, one extract of drama. Question 2, another extract. Question 3, another extract. Okay, and the question sub questions. Section B will be poetry. Again there will be same way question 4, 5, 6. Same way extract of poetry. Then 5 questions, same marking, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, so this way section A and section B. Then section C of prose, that is story. Again there will be 3 set of questions, question 7, 8 and 9. Question 7, 8 will be same way, extract and the question, but question 9 will be little different, that will be a little long answer type. This will contain 3 questions, 4, 4 and 8 marks. That is also 16 marks. Okay, little lengthy question means 4 marks question you have to write. First and second and third of 8 marks. This will be a lengthy question pattern. Okay, so this way 3 sections A, B and C, and each will be having same for extract and 5 subplots questions. Then in prose section again 2 section of question will be same, and the third will be 3 long questions of 4, 4 and 8 marks. Okay, so total 9 questions children, you can see. You have to do only 5. Okay, as I told you, you can do 3 from the same book and 2 from the other. Like one full Merchant of Venice question 1, 2, 3, you can attempt that, and question means other question you can do from prose and next from the poetry. It's up to you. Okay, I hope you understood that this literature one. Project will be of 20 marks. As you have got the project, that will be added. Now language sector, you see 80 marks. First question, composition. Composition means essay. This will be of 20 marks. It will have 4 to 5 essays, including picture composition. I have explained you about composition. Any one you have to do, that will carry 20 marks. Second part is letter writing. 2 letter format will be there, one formal, one informal. You have to do any one, carries 10 marks. Third part, notice and email, both compulsory. Okay, that also 10 marks. 5 marks notice, 5 marks email. Fourth is comprehension. Comprehension means unseen passage. It is also 20 marks. Passage will be given, question answer, word meaning, okay, and 50 words. Question first will be their word meaning. You have to write the meaning from the passage. Then questions will be there according to the marks. From the passage only you are going to get the answer, from nowhere else. From the passage, those same words you have to write, same sentences. Then 50 words. 50 words means there will be an question given, like from this para to this para, of overall summarize it or something like that will be given. Those point in 50 words, calculation 50 words, calculate, you have to calculate the 50 words and you have to write it. Like it should be like in a format, you have to draw a grid pattern, okay, and in that grid pattern you have to write down 50 words, okay. Then grammar exercises as given in your Total English book. Same way grammar exercises will be there. Prepositions will be there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Then join the sentence without adding and, but, or so. Then the structure grammar part will be there. Transformations, directing, there, all that. As you open your Total English book, the pattern how it is given, one specimen paper you see, same way the question paper comes. I hope you understood. Same way the question paper comes. The first composition, letter, notice, email, comprehension, and then grammar. But same, ditto, the same way it comes. So if you go on solving the Total English book, you will come to know to the pattern. Okay. I hope you understood. This will be of 80 marks. Here again 20 marks project will be there, which will be added. Thank you. I hope you understood. If any doubt, you can ask me.